If we have our health, we have everything. Let's take care of our health right now. Imagine there's a rope. Reach up, pull down. Let's wake up the shoulders, the upper back. Continue to build mobility, strength, so much more. And really, let's feel the aliveness of the body today. Start to sway the lower body. Full body movement. Reach up as high as you can. Pull down with strength. Head up high. You can look to the clouds or the ceiling. Wherever you're at, it's perfect. Just meet me there. You modify every movement to suit your needs. Connect the breath to your movement. Maybe the rope's a little bit to the side now. A little bit more of a side bend. Continue to move the lower body. Maybe you come up onto your tippy toes. Stretch it out. We connect to the breath. We eliminate the monkey mind. Rather than this need to get somewhere, can we just feel the aliveness of our body? Feel that energy coursing through you. You're building energy. Oh, mobility in this movement. Strength when you pull down. Feel that strength you possess. The aliveness of your muscles. Okay. Bring your forearms in together and back. Real brilliant movement for mobility in the shoulders and upper back. Try to keep the elbows up high as you can. Breathe into it. You can begin to step out as well. Wake up the lower body. Bring the shoulder blades together. Head up high. Breathe. Brilliant movement. Just to stop throughout your day. Starting to feel a little stiff in the upper back. Maybe we're on our phone, working at the computer for too long. Oh, yes. Couple more. And okay. Twist. Up and come down. And then up. Sink as low as you possibly can and rise up. Light arms. Flow with this movement. Turn and look behind you. Stretch out the neck. Engage your core. Feel it. The aliveness of the abdominals. As we continue to not strive for six-pack abs. Maybe you sink a little deeper. Breathe a little bit more consciously. Okay, and give yourself a bit of a hug. Head up high. Oh, you feel that in the shoulders, the upper back. Move the feet with a little bit of vigor. Vitality. Feel the energy just flowing through your entire body. Okay. Right foot pointed out. Left is about 45 degrees or so. Prayer pose. Gonna go in a circle and reach forward. Come on back, lean back. Circle the hands forward and back. Circle forward, lunge. Do what works best for you with this movement. Looking forward. Lean back as far as you can. Let's really lubricate the lower back. Nice big circle. Breathe. Breathe in and out. Breathe in, out. One more. Hold it there for a moment. Just hold it. And let's switch sides. Get a nice, solid base. And when you're ready, you need to engage your core. Working on balance here. Strength. Oh, yes. You are strong, mobile. Again, rather than what I can or can't do, just the aliveness inside of you. If we wake up and we're breathing, there's more right with us than wrong. Let's focus on what we can do, what's good, and gradually work towards improving. Whoa, watch the balance. Two more. Oh, shake that out. Let's keep moving. Step to the side. See if you can't bring your hand to your heel. Find a movement here, whatever it might be, like this. Great. That works for you. Twist and turn your head back as well. Full body. This movement, I really want you to focus on the aliveness of your entire body. Just feel everything. Breathe. Swing the arms a little bit more. Kick the leg up a little bit higher. I am alive. Stick with it. Watch the mind and just bring your attention back to the feeling of aliveness throughout your entire body. 3, 2, 1. Oh, hallelujah. Shake it out. Oh. Just a quick squat down and come up on the balls of your feet. Reach the hands back, engage your core, building balance, incredible strength. And just do what you can here. Maybe it looks very different. Just bring your heels the tiniest bit off the ground, just like this movement. Just do what you can. We often neglect the mobility of our ankles, the strength in our calf muscles. Not today, we don't. You come up a little bit higher on the balls of your feet. Feel that mobility you're creating in your ankles. Maybe it's uncomfortable. Embrace it. 3 more. Okay, yes. Hands. Come down a little bit. Up and push out. Just slow it down a little bit. Sink down, rise up, push the hands out. Breathe in, look up. Come down as far as you can. Find that edge. Feel alive. Yes. Smile goes a long way too, especially when there's a challenge, a difficulty. Smile at it. Something you're trying to break through keeps coming up. Oh, a thought, something that bothers you. Oh, welcome it like an old friend. Smile at it. Oh, what are you here to teach me? That's how we let go. Oh, don't stuff it and store it away. Let it rise up. Oh, welcome thoughts of envy, jealousy, frustration, anger. What are you here to teach me? One more. Brilliant. Oh, one final movement for the day. Let's really build that strength in our back, mobility. Bend forward, reach the arms out and row and rise up. Bend, reach the arms out, row and up. Drop the knees, bend over and row. Up we go. Bend the knees, drop down a little bit deeper. See if we can't get to a flat back. Roll the arms in and up. I challenge you. Bend, over, row, and up. Maybe a couple with the eyes closed. Bend, row, rise up. Drop down, bend over, reach and row. Can really feel the difference in the stabilizing muscles in the ankles when we close our eyes. One more. Oh, we have done it again. Oh, this is a great opportunity now. Just stand for a moment, close your eyes, and just feel the aliveness flowing through your body. That's always there. That energy always runs through you. We just got to tap into it. Just notice, feel it in your fingertips, coursing through the entirety of your body. Shake it out. Go have an incredible day. Feel alive. Notice that aliveness within you all day long. Thank you so much. Let me know how this session went. If you've come this far, I'm very curious how many get to the full end of the video. Comment, job done, something. Let me know. I want to see where we're at. Well done. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.